Good afternoon, welcome. This is Jamb here. 2015 government pass question. Question number 22 says, under the unitary arrangement, the center is vested with dash. Under the unitary arrangement, the center is vested with dash. And when we talk of unitary arrangement, simply means unitary government is a system of arrangements in which the state powers is at the center, and this is what we call absolutism. So option A says limited power over the constituent unit, B equal power with the constituent unit, C insignificant power with insignificant power. The option D say absolutism. Absolutism simply means centralized governmental power. So that is what it is. So option D is correct. Thank you, and ensure you subscribe for more videos.